Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick and easy tip for you. If your iPhone's power button isn't working and you're wondering how to turn it on, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let me show you how to power on your iPhone without using the power button. It's super simple. All you need is your iPhone's charging cable. First, make sure the cable is plugged into a power source. This can be a wall adapter, your computer, or even a power bank. Once it's connected, plug the cable into your iPhone. As soon as you connect it, your iPhone will automatically power on. That's it. You don't need to use the power button at all. You might be wondering if there will be any other alternative ways. I can assure that this is the only method to turn on your iPhone. There is no other way to turn on your device than this. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on iPhone without power button. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye for now.